There's a video of everything that we've been working on. We're starting to get all the guys cut out that we're going to be boxing the fuel out with. Right here, we're getting all the controls installed. We got the aileron push rods and these guys here in place for connecting the actual ailerons. We got to line up the back end yet though. Once we get the aileron itself in place, we got the firewalls for the engines in place. We're getting all the tubes that we're going to need for feeding the fuel in place. We got the torque tube here in place that's coming through. We're going to be controlling the flaps. On this wing here, we have a lot of the holes drilled, and we're starting to going to be moving over here and get all these guys installed here, just like we did the other side. But we got the general place holdings and all the other things done for that. Here we have the rudder is completely done, other than closing it up. But we got the trim trap controls done, and the access panels done, and we got everything done for the actual movement of the trim tab itself. All this hardware here just needs to be put back in and mounted on the plane, but it's already been aligned and everything done, so it's pretty much ready to go back on once we got it closed out. We're doing some of the last access panels here. We're finishing up the front landing gear that should be mounting this week. We've got a lot of the plane done. Can you hold 1 second? And hold 1 second. We got a lot of the controls in here done that we have to do the pass through. We've got the keels all taped into place. We got the fuel header taped into place. We got the bulkheads. We got the spar set up and ready for the wings. We got everything in the tail done. All the controls, all the access panels. Everything we need. We just have to close them up and do a little bit on the elevator, which I'll show you in a second. There's the skins that are done for the top to close it out. We're starting to do the interior parts for the armrest is what we just saw there. And then back here we got the instrument panel done. You can see it right there off in the distance. We got the trim tab for the elevator done. Right here, we just have to mount it into place when we get that cap spar done. We've got the hinge and everything for it. This is the panel, the instrument panel for the 600, and we got all the avionics done up and bench tested and ready to start putting into that instrument panel.